This is a training video about the Phonak Roger Touchscreen microphone brought to you by Accessible Hearing Solutions, a business owned and operated by a network of audiologists to provide improved accessibility for people who are hard of hearing in your community. We specialize in improving accessibility for counter service, meeting rooms, classrooms, conferences, and large venue settings for businesses and organizations. For more information, check out our website at www.accessyourhearing.com. While watching this YouTube video, please press CC down below for closed captions for more support. We're going to review the basic functions of how to use the Roger touchscreen microphone. Although it is widely known as the best microphone and sound field system to use in classrooms, it is also an excellent system to consider in meeting rooms, conferences, or large venue settings. So let's get started. There's a lanyard that you can connect to the back of your microphone. It simply snaps in, and if you wanted to remove it, you just press the button on the back and it easily comes out. The lanyard is also adjustable. All you need to do is adjust the straps on the back, and when you put it around your neck to wear, ensure that it's 20 centimeters or 8 inches from your mouth to the top of the microphone. To turn on, simply press and hold the on-off button on the side for more than 3 seconds until the indicator light blinks green. To turn off, press and hold the on-off button until a pop-up window appears. This is also the Wake Sleep button. Sleep is a screensaver and puts the microphone's display to sleep, saving its battery and darkening the screen so it isn't distracting. This happens automatically if you don't touch the display. To see the screen again, just simply touch the on-off button quickly. The touchscreen display works very much like a cell phone. You just swipe to the right or to the left to get to the next page. At the bottom of the screen, you can see that it tells you what page you're on, 1, 2, or 3. At the top of the touchscreen mic, you can see how much time you have left on your charge. A big advantage of the Phonak Roger touchscreen mic is that it can be used in different listening situations. The touchscreen mic can be used both by individuals as their own remote microphone or used as part of a sound field system. The microphone can be used in lanyard mode during a lecture or taken off of the lecture and used as a remote microphone in small group situations. There are 2 modes. It can be set in small group mode to be placed on a table, which focuses more on a small group around the microphone. It can also be used as a remote mic with the pointing mode, used to point in the direction of the sound someone wants to hear. The touchscreen mic can also be used to connect to a Digimaster speaker to be used in a sound field system so everyone in the room can hear better. The mic automatically knows how to do this because of its built-in accelerometer, which analyzes its orientation. If held at an angle, it knows to be in pointing mode. If placed flat on a table, it knows to be in small group mode. And if vertical, knows to be in lanyard mode. You can tell which mode you're in by looking at the symbol in the corner on the touchscreen. It's important to note that the microphone will only integrate with other devices when it's in lanyard mode. If you're using a pass-around mic, a multimedia hub, or other touchscreen mics in a network, once the primary touchscreen mic is placed flat on a table, it will turn off all other devices and only work as a small group microphone. When connecting the touchscreen mic to different devices, first make sure that the device is turned on. Next, hold the touchscreen mic within 10 centimeters or 4 inches to the device. In this case, it's connecting to a MyLink. You'll see a message pop up on the touchscreen saying if the connection was a success. You can check the List Devices button on the second page to see the full list of devices connected. You've now created a network. Here's another example of connecting to other devices. This is a Phonak Roger Media Hub. Again, you just press the Connect button very close to the device you want to connect to, and a pop-up message will say whether or not you've been connected. Same thing goes when connecting to a Roger Focus or other hearing aids. Just press Connect close to the device. Each Roger device comes with its own AC outlet and takes about 2 hours to come to a complete charge. To make charging easier, a Phonak Roger charging rack can be used to hold up to 4 devices at a time. MyLink assistive listeners are the only device that does not fit into the charger and needs to be plugged in individually. So that's the end of our training video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at www.accessyourhearing.com.